Today we will be doing session 12 of Word Power Made Easy. The first word is anthropologist, which we had done even in the previous session. Anthropologist comes from the root anthropos, which means mankind, plus logos, which means science or study, plus ist. Ist means a specialist or an expert. So anthropologist is someone who studies about human races, origin, society and culture. The next word is astronomy. Astronomy has the root astron, A-S-T-R-O-N, which means star, plus nomos, N-O-M-O-S, which means arrangement, law or order. So astronomy is a study of star, planets and other objects about their arrangement in the outer space. The one who studies astronomy is known as an astronomer. So he is someone who is interested in the arrangement of stars and other celestial bodies. The adjective is astronomical. The next word is astrologer. Astrologer comes from the root astro, which means star, plus logos, which means science or study. So astrology is referred to a study of the influence of planets and stars on human events. So an astrologer is someone who predicts the future considering the arrangement of stars and planets and how it is going to affect your future. The next word is astronaut. Astronaut comes from the root astro, which means star, plus N-O-U-T-E-S, nauts, which means sailor. So astronaut is a sailor among the stars. The next word is cosmonaut. Cosmonaut has the roots cosmo, which means universe, plus nauts, which means sailor. So a cosmonaut is a sailor of universe. So nos or nauts, N-A-U-T-E-S or N-A-U-S is a Greek root which is something relating to ship, sail or navigation. So we have one more word, nautical, which also refers to sailors, sailing, ship, etc. The next word is aster, A-S-T-E-R, which has the root astro. So aster is a star-shaped flower. Next, asterisk. You must have seen the symbol in your keypad, which is a star-shaped symbol, which is usually used for writing or printing to direct the reader to look for a footnote. The next word is astrophysics. Astrophysics is a branch of physics dealing with heavenly bodies. The next word is disaster, which has the roots dis, D-I-S, which means against, plus astro, which means star. So it means against the star or misfortune. This is because in ancient times people used to believe that stars ruled human destiny. So if someone went against those stars, it would lead to a misfortune or a mishappening. The next word is metronomy, which has the roots metro, which means to measure, plus nomos. Nomos means law, order or arrangement. So metronomy means an instrument to measure musical time. You used to see a pendulum which used to swing back and forth to measure the time or which governs orders. So that is known as a metronome. The next word is geologist. Geologist comes from the root geo, which means earth, plus logos, plus ist. So someone who studies about the formation of earth, how earth was developed, how about the mountains, valleys, how they were formed, and so on. So from the root geo, which means earth, we have some more words. Geometry. Geometry has the root geo, which means earth, plus metro, which means measurement. So it is the mathematical study of figures, shapes, etc. or measurement of earth. The mathematician is known as a geometrician. The next word is geography, which has the root geo, which means earth, plus graphine, which means to write or mapping. So it means science of earth mapping. The next word is biopsy. Biopsy has the root bio, which means life, plus opsis. Opsis means examination or view. So biopsy means examination of living tissues. For example, when the doctor examines a tissue through a microscope in order to suspect where the cancer is, so a small part of tissue is cut from the affected area and seen under the microscope to investigate. The next word is autopsy. Autopsy has the root auto, which means self, plus opsis, which means examination or view. So autopsy is an examination of dead body to find out what was the cause of death. The word auto is used because the doctor examines himself to know the cause of death and he does not believe on any theory. The next word is biography. Biography comes from the root bio, which means life, plus graphine, which means to write. So biography means life writing. Autobiography means to write his own biography, to write his own life story. The next word is zodiac. Zodiac comes from the root zion, which means an animal. So it is a diagram of paths of sun, moon and planets. It was also in terms of animals, like lion is a Leo or a Scorpio. So it was derived from the root zoon. The adjective of zodiac is zodiacal. So with that we finish the words in this session. Here is the exercise where the prefix is given and you can find the English word for it. So you can see if you can recall the words that we have learned today. The next is the pronunciations. Anthropology, anthropological, astronomy, astronomical, astrology, astrological, astronaut, cosmonaut, nautical, aster, asterisk, disaster, disastrous. Geology, geological, geometry, geometrician, geometric, geography, geographer, geographical, biology, biological, biography, biographer and biographical. The third set you can try it yourself. If you see you can pronounce it correctly. Then is a match the column. You can pause the video and try it yourself and then check the answers to know if you have understood the words in this session and if you recall those words. You can test yourself, and that's the end of session 12.